Hi guys, when you're in Gmail, how do you start off your emails? Do you go to Compose and type your email when it's down here, or do you automatically go to the double-ended arrow here so it pops out into a full screen mode? If you do that, then this quick tip will save you a few seconds each time. So if you go to compose your email as normal, and instead of clicking this double-ended arrow here, click on the three dots at the bottom here for more options. Click on there and click default to full screen, and then come out of that, go back into writing your new email, and voila, it automatically appears as full screen. So that was a real quick tip for you, how to set your email to default to full screen every time, and then to change it back if you don't want it like that anymore and you want it back in the bottom right corner, go back to more options here and untick the default to full screen, come out of it, and then the next time you go into write an email, it goes back to the bottom corner. Until next time, happy learning. This is Xena, the office dog, and she would love it if you could watch this video just here. Or maybe even this video. This video is good as well. Nope, she actually prefers this video just here. Or maybe this one. This one's really good. Actually, yeah, this one. Oh, do you know what? You decide.